Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can grow a tech YouTube channel. But before that, please do make sure to like our videos and subscribe our channel. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, let's get started with our video. First thing you need to know is, once you have found that if you want to grow your channel for tech, once you have found your niche, what you need to do is you need to have a eye-catching title or the most searched title, and the trending topics regarding tech you need to find out. You can go do it from the YouTube Explore page. You can find out the most trending topic when it comes to tech. First thing. Next thing, you need to have a good thumbnail. Once you have a good eye-catching thumbnail, then that's another thing. Next thing you need to have is a consistency. You need to go ahead and upload as many videos as you can, so that will also grow your account as well as it will grow in views. Now what you also need to remember is that you need to also be able to have a good video production, as well as you need to have a clear instructions for the tech videos. Once you have good thumbnail, good video, and consistency, and a good topics overall, then you will be able to upgrade your tech channel. And for another thing that you can do is you can go ahead, access YouTube, and always can search other YouTube channels, tech channels, to see what are they doing, how are they uploading, and that will also help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.